Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to pair? First, make sure your iPhone is unlocked, signed into your Apple ID, and has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location enabled. Take the AirTag out of its wrapper and pull the tab. You'll hear a chime. Hold the AirTag close to the phone. iOS detects it automatically and displays a pairing card. Tap Connect right away. This step starts the secure association, which links the AirTag to your Apple ID so you can locate it in the Find My app. Once the pairing card appears, follow the prompts to name your AirTag, choose an item label like keys or create a custom name so you recognize it later. Confirm that the AirTag is being added to your Apple ID. This secures ownership and enables lost mode. If you have an iPhone with a U1 chip, make sure precision finding is on so you can get directional guidance. Tap Done to finalize. These steps attach the tag to your identity and configure the location features. Finish by opening the Find My app and locating the new AirTag under Items. Play a sound to confirm communication and test precision finding if available. If you plan to share, note items cannot be transferred without removing from your Apple ID first. If something goes wrong, try the simplest fixes. Move the AirTag closer, restart your iPhone, toggle Bluetooth, and as a last resort remove and reinsert the battery to reset the tag. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.